In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the table to evaluate a function. So let's say we have a function here, and it's e to the 5x minus 2. Let me show you how to type that in. You say second, and then e to the x is right here on the ln button. And then I'm just going to type in the 5x minus 2, and now I'm going to hit zoom 6. And let's say that this function represented something that's growing very fast, like population or some bacteria, and we want to find a particular time what the population is or of the bacteria. So I can go to my table and see values that are already generated here. So at time 0, there's 0.1353 bacteria. At time after 1 minute or 1 second, whatever this represents, there's 20. After 2 seconds or 2 hours maybe, depending on what this represents, there's 2,981, and you can see this is growing, and we start getting scientific notation. This is 6.57 times 10 to the positive 7, or 9.74 times 10 to the 9th power. So what if we wanted to see some other number that wasn't in this table, and we had to go really far, and we didn't want to have to scroll like this? Then there is a way. If I go to second window, which is the table set, I can tell my table, I can tell it where to start. So let's just say I start at 0, and that's telling the table to go up by 1s. Now the independent variable is the x. I can switch this to ask, and now if I go back to my second table, there's nothing there. So I can now type in whatever value I want. And let's say I wanted some random negative number. I can type that in. I can type in huge numbers. And so I can type in anything I want. I can even plug in pi into here, and it will do that for me. So the table set, again, second window is very useful. Do not change the dependent variable to ask, though. We shouldn't ever have to do that. If you want to change it back, like if you're doing a different problem and you realize, oh, I just want a nice table of values in order, then just make sure you change it back to auto. But let's say you wanted to start at really high values already. You could just start your table at 100, go back to the table, and it's already there starting at 100. So that is very useful.